How to fix TikTok direct message not showing. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to fix your direct messages on TikTok if ever it does not show on your end. So first thing, you need to open the application, TikTok application. From here, you just need to go to your profile, and on the three bars menu, you will see settings and privacy. Normally, you will be able to see direct message. If it does not show there, you need to go to your device settings and go under app management. From here, you need to go to app list and search for the TikTok application. From here, you need to go to storage usage, and you need to clear all data and clear all cache as well. You also need to click on force stop, and then you can go back to the TikTok application. Once everything is done, when you open the application, there's a need for you to log back into your account. Okay, once you are logged in, what you need to do is go to your profile and go to the three bars menu. And if the direct message still does not show, you'll need to report the problem. So under settings and privacy, go to report a problem and go to direct message. And then from here, click on the topic where direct message is no longer available. And to answer the question, is the problem resolved? You just go ahead and click on no, and then click on need more help. From here, you just need to report the issue, like what happened, and ask them to work on it so that you'll be able to make use of the feature. Once you have provided all the information, so when you go ahead and click on submit, you just need to wait until they will be able to fix the issue that you are experiencing. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.